Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring how align distribute shapes can instantly clean up any messy layout. First, select all shapes that needed proper alignment. Go to the top bar and look at the align icons. Start by clicking align left to bring everything into a clean vertical line. Notice how the edges snap together instantly. Now click align top to level everything horizontally. The layout already feels more professional. Next, open the distribute options. Choose distribute horizontal centers to even out the spacing between every shape. Each element now sits at the perfect distance from the text. If you want perfect vertical spacing instead, use distribute vertical centers. This